What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? Good morning, grand rising, get money. Give me 1 second, guys. Setting some things up right now. All right, perfect. So, we do have high impact news going on right now. We have unemployment claims. So, we gotta be extremely careful trading right now. I would personally wait the next 4 minutes for the 15-minute candle closure since we did have unemployment claims at 8:30. Let's first look at fundamentals and see what's going on. All right, so February 1st, 8:30 a.m. we had unemployment claims for the USD, red folder. Numbers look like they came out negative. So let's see what the USD did exactly. USD pushed down, so that should make gold push up. Remember, inverse correlating pairs. When the dollar pushes down, gold usually does the opposite. Gold moved like crazy overnight, almost like if there was news. Good morning, dude. Yeah, gold moves very, very volatile sometimes during London session if there is high impact news for sometimes the euro or one of the London pairs. At 30-minute time frame for the DXY, it does look like we're pushing bearish, but we do look like we are rejecting this 30-minute 50 SMA right here, and kind of slowly forming an uptrend on the DXY now. So we don't want to get faked out. That's why I'm telling you guys to wait after news and don't just enter the trade now. All right. XAUSD, of course, does look bullish, and it does look like we're breaking above this resistance key level here above 2040. So obviously, if by 8:45 we do close above 80.40, we might be looking for buys above that key level since we're basically breaking out of the range, and we are flipping bullish again. But yeah, those are the two key levels I am looking forward to trade off of on gold this morning. 2040 for buys and below 2030 for sells. And what I love about those two key levels is that they're both very strong psychological levels that have been respected multiple times in the past. As you guys can see here, it's been one of those levels here. Has been a resistance here, breakout, and I think it's the exact same level that we actually caught the buys yesterday in the live stream where we caught 100 plus pips on live, right? Here it's been another resistance, rejection, fake out, but rejection, and then here we also had a lot of it played as support as well in the past where it respected SMAs. So it's a strong key level to take trades off of, and let's see if we do get a breakout again above that level. Now we do break above 2040. Our potential zone to target would be 2043. So it's a minor level of resistance as well. And then we can again target all the way to 2048. Potentially even this level up here since, market has previously been up there in the past, right? 2054. Let's go dive into a 15-minute time frame and see what's going on here. And yeah, look how nice it looks in the 15-minute time frame. That definitely is the level I would want to take buys off of. We just gotta have a candle closure. I'm not taking any more impulse trades. I don't think I'm gonna be taking an impulse trade today. I want to go solely off of candle closures. Now we are extremely positive for the week. We have been winning multiple trades now, and I think we're up like a big percentage. I gotta look at the numbers again, but we're up a huge percentage for the week. Since yesterday, we technically made about off of this one, and then the VIP signal one, we are I think like about 14-15% off of yesterday alone. So that's crazy. All right, we did get a breakout 15-minute 8:45. See if we get a little push down. Now I want to enter above 2040. Not in a trade yet, guys. Patience, but I do want to enter around this level. I'll let you guys know when I'm entering the trade. No rush, guys. 2040 stops could be at 2037. No rush, guys. If we miss out on the trade, we miss out, right? But I'm not risking it, especially now during unemployment claims. It looks like we're about to fly up though, but I'd rather wait for that candle closure. Now the dollar did also break below that SMA. Yeah, go to the fly. We're too high up. I don't want to enter now. How do I know if you're up or down overall in your trading career? A lot of people acting like they up, flexing payouts and not showing the overall results, just make it hard to really trust. All right, so you can join my signal room, my free telegram, where I have documented every single trade I've been taking for the last 2 years. And I've been documenting all of them, right? I show everybody, every single of my trades. I don't hide anything. I'm super transparent. I'm super transparent with my community. So join my free telegram, take a look, scroll up, and look at the track record. You can also see on my Instagram as well. Not bad. You can also look at my Instagram as well, where I also show all of my trades and document everything. I've posted a few payouts before, and that's one of the reasons why I don't like showing payouts, for the exact same reason that you just said there, where they flex payout, or some people even fake payouts as well. So I don't really, showing payouts is not really my thing. My thing is actually trading live and showing you guys that I can really trade. Not a lot of traders can trade live on YouTube, right? And not a lot of traders can also send out signals, right? Those are two things that you can't fake, right? It's real time. Payouts you can fake, numbers on the screen you can fake sometimes, but trading live and signals, you can't really lie about that, right? Good morning, man. Let's go for another W. Let's go. I was speaking in general in the industry. Yeah, there's a lot of BS in the industry. Trust me, I know. I've been in the industry for 5 years now. I don't want to talk a specific name or speak specifically on anybody, but I know about it, right? I know about it. But payouts could be faked. A lot of the numbers on MetaTrader sometimes could be faked as well, depending on what broker you use. And that's why that's not really my thing. Showing those payouts, showing those numbers, withdrawals aren't really my thing. I'd rather do the live streams, and I'd rather send out signals and let my students speak for themselves as well, right? I've had multiple students that have made a lot of money in the industry, right? So, but yeah, I get you, bro. And I know it's hard to trust sometimes, since a lot of these gurus are out here promising, profits, promising this, promising that, and none of them are fake. So I totally understand. Stay here and you'll see results. Exactly. I don't promise anything either. All I do is just live stream what I do on a daily basis. Live stream my trades. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. Simple. One big payout, make other people believe you're good at trading. Look, it's a buy or sell. One big payout, make other people believe you're good at trading. Yeah, other people believe. I don't really need anybody to believe that I'm good at trading or not. I don't trade to show people that I'm good or not. I trade because that's how I make my money, and I've been doing it now for 5 years. I don't care what people think, right? And the reason why I live stream is, yeah, to help people as well make money, but I feel lonely when I trade by myself, so I rather just record it on a stream and talk with you guys, right? So, and yeah, sometimes people do get lucky when getting those big payouts. But yeah, I don't trade for validations of anybody. I trade for myself, and I live stream it for free. Simple. We're coming back to 2040. Um, it's 8:50 right now. I don't know if to wait another 10 minutes for the 30-minute candle closure, but we are playing around that area that I do want to take buys off of. But what I don't want is now this candle to be a fake out and then push back into the range. Might just enter at 2041, guys, since 2041 is still pretty solid. Yeah, I'm gonna enter, guys. Patience, guys. I'm not in the trade yet. I did say I was gonna enter, but I haven't entered yet. Down. Now we're flying up. It's a buy or sell. People get, yeah, market moves in 3 directions, up, down, or consolidation. Just one more question. Do you believe these prop firms faking payouts to promote mean it's a smart marketing tactic? No, because you are deceiving your customers and you're deceiving your clients. If you have to fake anything, you shouldn't trust them. You shouldn't be faking anything in this industry. You should always be transparent and show real results. So any of those prop firms that are faking payouts, they're scams, 100%. FTMO doesn't fake their payouts. FTMO pays. There's a lot of prop firms that don't fake their payouts, but then there are a lot that do. You got me? So that's why I always tell you guys to do your research. And my students can speak for themselves. I never promote a specific prop firm, right? I'm not affiliated with no prop firms. All I do is trade, and I tell you guys, this is what I've previously used, and this is what my students have previously used. Do your own research and trade as you will, but I got messed up by nations. Me too. I traded nations before in the past. 2041 200. Push down a little bit, and I'm going into the trade. Not in a trade yet, guys. Patience. Rejected my payout for trading news. Yeah, that does happen sometimes with prop firms. You gotta, look at the rules. You're not supposed to trade news during with some prop firms. If the rules in your prop firm said you can't trade news, you shouldn't be trading news. Guys, I got into the trade. 2041 500. Buys above that level. TP could be 2043 for 20 pips. I am in the trade now, guys. Let me write it for you guys. We did enter a little bit up since I originally wanted to enter at 2040. But unfortunately, we entered at 2041. Order type. Buy. Entry point 2041. 2043 could be TP1, TP2 could be 2045, 2047. Stop loss 20. Split stops at 2038 just to not make him too wide. Alright, guys, this is a trade that I'm in. We entered at 2041. We're currently just up, a few pips in profit. They changed the rule the same day. DXY is a retracement. They changed the rules the same day my position was placed. I didn't see the email they sent. I mean, that's strange, bro. That I'm sure you weren't the only customer in that company, right? There's probably hundreds of others, right? So the risk reward is under 2. 2041 stops 2038, 2039, 2039. Okay, yeah, 1-to-1 risk reward would basically put our stops 20 pips, 2039. All right, where can we put our TP1 then? 2043. Is that 2039 is too tight for a stop loss, right? I feel more comfortable putting my stops at 2038. So what I'm going to possibly do here, instead of putting our TP at 2043, we might be having to aim for 2044. And then we can have a positive risk reward. 30 pip stops for a 30 pip take profit, Let me see, hold up. Yeah, yeah, we're going to get stopped out if we put it at 2039. Just one small pullback, we'll get stopped out. Yeah, I feel like 2044 is the best. Yeah, 2044, guys. Let's do a 30 pip TP, 30 pip stop loss. 2044, 2046. Okay, 2040, 2041, 2044, 2047 could be our TP2. And then 2049 could be our, wait, 2041, 44, 47, 50. TP3 for about 90 plus pips. 2050, where's 2050 at? Okay, yeah, trade could hit that level. All right, we're back at entry, guys. But I am in the trade now. Risk accordingly. We just came out of news, so be careful trading. Message retracted. Running a prop firm is not easy. 100%, it's not easy at all. I mean, it's like every other business. All right, guys, we are in the trade. 2041 was my entry. 30 pip TP for at a 30 pip stop. The reason why I'm careful with this trade is I do feel like it's a fake out, since when we were looking at the DXY, I kind of respected the trend. Let me see if we respect the SMA. Yeah, you see it rejected the SMA, and it's doing what I kind of told you guys I was gonna do, right? It's gonna do that small little uptrend, and it was just a pullback. But again, we did break about the 50 SMA in the 50-minute time frame, and we did break above the 2040 key level on gold as well. Let me see a 30-minute time frame. 30-minute candle hasn't closed yet. Okay, so we do have 3 more minutes to see what ends up happening here. If in the next 3 minutes we do close above that level, you know, we should fly up, guys. So nice. The RRR is 3 now. Yeah, 1 to 3 risk reward. It's sad seeing all these people who are successful and have access to a create better platform for each so they push the process and giving the worst experience. LQ banks or LQLO. I mean, bro, I don't like talking negativity in my platform. It doesn't matter who it is. You know, you guys should just do your own research on who you give your money to, right? But yeah, don't mention a specific name here in the chat. I mean, I'm not affiliated with none of them, but still, you know, I just don't like negativity in my chats. Waiting for the 1 hour candle closure. I think PMI is also going to be bullish. What do you guys think? Waiting for the 1 hour candle closure. Yeah, we do have 1 hour candle closure as well. So, you know, let's see what ends up happening. And it's also a strong level in the 1 hour time frame, as you see here. Resistance in the past. So let's see. Also, if we do close above 2040 in the 1 hour, we'll also have a 1 hour SMA breakout. So yeah, super nice trade if we do close, you know, in the next minute above 2040. And again, guys, you know, if we lose a trade, we lose a trade. That's how trading is. You know, we're up 15% for the week. You know, who does that in 2 days, right? So can I mention the broker for people to stay away from? I mean, bro, do whatever you want in the chat. If you say something you're not supposed to, we'll just, you know, put you in timeout. Air effects, don't know nothing about them. All right, so 1 more minute, guys, for 30-minute and 1 hour time frame closure. Tony, what did Air effects do to you? I've seen it on Instagram, but I don't know anything about that broker. What have they done? ¿Puedes decirlo en español, por favor? Claro. So, entramos en una operación en 2020-41 para compras, porque tuvimos un breakout o un quiebre por arriba de este nivel de 2040 y entramos en las compras. Guys, we got the perfect breakout. Doesn't look like we're going to push up, so we are in the trade and we're currently 2 pips in profit. 30-minute, 15-minute candle breakout. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Break and retest, candle pushed back in the 15-minute time frame, retouched that 2040 level to continue its way up. So beautiful trade, guys. We also got the 1 hour breakout, I believe. Yes, sir, above the 50 and 8 SMA and above the key level. So we should be flying up, guys. Now, if we don't fly up, we don't fly up. You know, the market's not always going to give us what we want, but the probabilities of us winning this trade is extremely in our side and extremely good. So, you know, I like the setup. Gracias, de nada. Las probabilidades están en nuestro favor. So, tenemos todas las confluencias a nuestro lado. Si perdemos el trade, perdimos el trade, el mercado nunca nos va a dar 100% el trade. Lo único que podemos controlar son las probabilidades de nosotros, y controlamos las probabilidades de nosotros con los trades que tomamos y las confluencias, right? Y tenemos todas las confirmaciones en nuestro lado, en nuestro favor. So, I do feel comfortable in the trade. Something that we could control, guys, is our probabilities in the market by adding more confluences and more confirmations to your strategy. We have it all. So I'm confident in this trade. And we are up. Estamos arriba 13 pips en ganancia. Let's go, guys. Beautiful, guys. We are up 12 pips in profit. If you get stopped, are you answering your PMI or calling it a day? If I get stopped, guys, I need to have another confluence to re-enter. I'm not re-entering, you know, based off of emotions. If we get stopped, it's because the trade was wrong. Simple. They don't respond to customer service. Website slow, request a withdrawal. I received it. Bro, I mean, I'm not AirFX customer service, so I mean, why are you talking about AirFX in my live stream, right? Go and talk to customer service, right? Or talk to whoever the owners are, you know. They mark up their spread near your stop loss. That's messed up. You should have done more research on them and not just joined the broker because an Instagram influencer said it was good, right? Which is something that you guys do a lot. You know, you guys see an Instagram influencer with 2 Lambos saying that they trade on a broker, and you guys just decide to go and trade on that broker without doing any research. That's not research. You're just joining off of hype. Do your own research on the broker, and that's not going to happen to you again. 17 pips in profit, guys. Beautiful, beautiful trade. I also guarantee you that those influencers that you see on Instagram don't trade live like this. We're up 20 plus pips, guys. Move stops to break even, risk-free trade. This trade is now a winner, guys. Let's go. We're up 20 plus pips. 10 more pips and we hit TP1 for 30 pips. And I'm currently up $2,000 on my account. I'm pretty sure it's happened to me in the past, right? We learned from those mistakes. It wasn't with Air though. I never joined Air. I was never a part of AirFX. You just gotta be smarter, man. You know, it happens to a lot of us. Just be smarter, and before you decide to enter or put your money into any platform or any broker, you gotta do your research on them, right? But we are up we were up 20 pips, guys. Move stops to break even. And I really like the trade, so. Do you live stream most of your trades? So I live stream Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, which are most of my trades since those are the days I do trade. And then I send out signals in my signal room every single day of the week. So I pretty much document everything I trade, right? If it's not during the live stream, I send it out in the signal room. So, you know, regardless, you guys will still be able to see the trades I take. And then at this time, I live stream. So every trade I basically do take, I live stream or send it in the signal room. Everything's documented, right? I don't take a trade without sending it anywhere, right? I rather send it to you guys as well, so that you guys can also benefit and make money. What broker do you recommend? I can't recommend any broker right now since I'm not an affiliate or an ambassador for any of them. You should do a collab with other streaming traders. Yeah, I was thinking about doing that, man. I just don't know which traders to have here first. but I am friends with a few of them. There's really good streamers out there. Guys, we're up 20 plus pips. Dollar, Luca, Emmett. Yeah, they're cool, guys. Dollar is one of the OGs with London trading. Luca markets the broker that you don't like, and Emmett's a cool guy. Guys, we're up 20 plus pips. Drop some W's in the chat. We're 14 plus pips in profit. There's no reason why you guys should lose this trade, guys. Huge trade. We're up 24 pips. Bro, I'm in my first period class in high school. Profit. Let's go, man. I remember that. I started trading in high school, and I remember that, bro. Congrats. You know, you're starting off good. You're starting young. Keep it up with consistency, and you're gonna have the nicest car in your high school. Come on, 2044. It was actually James who pushed everybody on it after showing the positive middle with them. Yeah, bro. I mean, I don't know anything about that. We're up 10 pips again. Come on. We're up 24 pips. We got to push back up. We're up 10 pips again. Remember, guys, you shouldn't lose this trade at all. We had most stops to break even once we were up 20 plus pips in profit. So if we do come back to our entry, we'll be closing break even. There's no reason you guys should be risking anything on this position. A risk-free trade or a break-even trade is a winner, since 90% of traders lose money in the markets, right? So if we do, close break even, we're already winning, guys. So you're good. So close to TP1. Yeah, we were literally 5 pips away from hitting TP. When you coming back to the fitness in Pines? Oh, you were that? Yeah, what's up, man? I mean, I don't know. It's pretty far away from where I live, so I was just there because I was with one of my friends that lives by there. Um, but that was a rare occasion. Yeah, that gym's like 20, almost 30 minutes away from where I live, so I mean, I don't think I'll be there anytime soon. All right, guys, we're up 12 pips again. We have 32 viewers in the live stream. Let's go. We're up almost 20 pips again. Would be nice if it skyrocketed like yesterday. Yeah, definitely. I mean, it could happen. We do look like we are very bullish, and there is a lot of liquidity at around this level, above 2048. By the time it hits 2048, we've already been hitting our TP1 or our TP2, so could happen. There's very high probabilities of it. Remember, we also got a 1 hour closure, and the higher the time frame, the more probabilities that the trade is going to be in our favor, or it's going to go in our favor, right? So But then look, again, that's why I like having my TPs 20 pips away from our entry, because if we would have had TPs at 20 pips, we would have hit our TP already, right? We just had to put our TP 30 pips away because we had our stops 30 pips away. You get me? So we had to have a positive risk to reward. But if you noticed, if we would have had a 20 pip TP, we would have been hit our TP. But we are 25 pips in profit, guys. We just need 5 more pips for a TP to get hit. 4 more pips. 3 more pips. Boom! TP1 hit, guys. Let's go. Let's go. I'm closing my position. I personally made my percentage. You guys don't have to close. You guys could just trail your stops. And damn, TP2 is about to get hit again. TP2 is 20. Okay, TP2 is 2047. Let me fix this up. Drop some W's in chat, guys. If you made money today. Drop some money in the chat. I mean, not drop some money. Drop some W's in the chat if you made money. And would be nice if it skyrocketed. It's just skyrocketed, my friend. It's just skyrocketed. We are currently up about 40 plus pips. Big W's in the chat. Let's go. Come on. And TP2 is about to get hit, guys. We're up about 50 plus pips. Let's go. Big W's in the chat. Love it. It is that we don't lose in these live streams, right, guys? Like, I mean, I think we've only lost, I think it was 1 day where we lost a trade, or 2 days out of all the days that we've been live streaming. TP smacked. Let's go, guys. And it was a big trade too, because it was a 30 pip TP. TP1 was hit. We were up about 50 plus pips. I'd move stops to TP1 2044 and then trail your stops from there. How much of the trade do you close per TP? Depends on where my account balance is for the day and how I really feel about the trade. I personally closed out because yesterday I did win pretty big. I made about 6% on my account, which is something that I don't really do. I don't really like holding my trades for so long since I'm more of like a scalper day trader. Right, but I did close this trade already at 2%. I'm done for the day. I've made my goal. I feel confident. I'm comfortable there, and I'm good. I made almost $4,000, so like around 3.5. So I'm good for the day. I don't have to hold a trade. I don't have to do anything. Now, for some of you guys might have different goals, right? Some of you guys may want to pass a prop firm, so you gotta have that 10% or that 8%, or some of you guys wanna flip an account, so you're obviously gonna have to risk more, or some of you guys just want to have slow, steady, consistent gains, so yeah, you're just gonna close at 1%, 2%. Depends on what your goal is. It's never the right amount, right? You don't have to close exactly at 2% or at 4% for everybody. Everybody has different goals with their accounts and their account sizes. Now, what I do recommend risking is 1 to 2%. I don't recommend risking more. We're up almost 60 pips, guys. We're about to hit TP2. We're up 52 pips in profit. That's a huge trade. And sometimes I don't even close a trade, to be honest. Sometimes I just trail my stops, which is something that I do a lot. Every time we hit TP1, I just move my stops to break even. When we hit TP2, I move my stops to TP1. When we hit TP3, I just move my stops to TP2. And if it's one of those trades with like 5 TPs or like a 1 to 5 risk to reward, then at TP5, if we do get to TP5, that's when I just close out. And that's a huge trade. That's like, if I'm risking 2%, that's like already a 10%. And I just close there. I don't like getting super greedy. Kev, ¿haces múltiples entradas o es el mismo trade sacando parciales? And hold up, we're about to hit TP2. Dame un segundo, que vamos a llegar al take profit de ahora mismo. What are your thoughts on what? I can't see, there's a heart in the way. On what strategy? I can't see it, there's a heart in the way, so I can't see the chat. Kevin, ¿haces múltiples entradas o es el mismo trade sacándole parciales? So what she asked me is if I do multiple entries or if I just do one trade and I get partials out of it. I do 2 trades most of the times. If I'm risking 2%, I risk 1% on one and 1% on the other. Hago dos trades. Arriesgo 1% en uno y 1% en el otro. Y al final del día estoy arriesgando lo mismo, que es 2%. TJR, I don't know who that is. I don't know who TJR is. I don't know who that is. I can't tell you anything about his strategy since I don't know who that guy is. You can set up a TP4. Yeah, I can. But there isn't any target zones at TP4. Let me see. TP4 would be 2053. Yeah, I could. We could have a 1-4 risk reward here, since there is liquidity up here. Let's do it. I'm all down for it. I mean, I personally already got out of the trade, but for those of you that want to hold it, you're more than welcome. Price could potentially hit 2053 for TP4, so let's do it. Let's have a 1-4 here. And TP2 is about to get hit. You're 1 pip away from hitting TP2, 59 pips in profit. Good morning, everyone. Adrian, you're late. You're late to the party, bro. We're already up 60 plus pips, man. Let's go, dude. Glad for you. What's your strategy? I developed my own strategy. You can't find my strategy anywhere, right? I developed it. I created my own strategy. It's based off of breakouts, but there's multiple confluences and multiple confirmations to my strategy. But nobody trades the same way I trade, because, like I said, I developed it throughout 5 years of trading experience. What confluences made you take this trade? First of all, we had the inverse correlation with the DXY. We had a breakout off of a major key level, and then we also had a cross of SMAs. So we had 3 confluences there. And then we also had pretty much breakouts on every time frame. We had a breakout on the 15, 30 minute, and 1 hour time frame. So that's the reason why I entered this trade. Guys, we were 1 pip away from hitting TP2, but we were up 59 pips, guys. This is the trade for those of you guys that didn't see it. 2041 was our entry. 24 was TP1, 2047 TP2, TP3, TP4. Basically a 1-4 risk to reward trade. We already have secured a 1 to 1.5. Diablo, manito, yo quiero saber su estrategia. Hago mentorías 1 a 1 y también tengo un canal VIP donde más o menos les enseño con una llamada de Zoom a la semana. Y en mi canal, en mi mentoría 1 a 1, nos conectamos todas la semana. Te envío un curso de más de 50 videos y te enseño cómo es mi estrategia 100%. Y te ayudo a fondearte también. For what I basically said, if you guys want to learn exactly how my strategy is, and if you guys want help getting funded, I do one-on-one mentorships as well. That's where you can actually, learn my full strategy, since you're basically hopping on a Zoom call with me and I'm teaching you everything. So if I join your VIP signals, you'll show us the strategy. For my VIP signals, my main goal is not to teach you guys my strategy. Obviously, the name says it. It's just VIP signals. But, you know, you do get access to one Zoom call or Discord call per week with me, where I call the live trading floor. You have access to my exclusive Discord with my VIP students, and there's a trading floor, and in that trading floor I connect to it once a week, where we all talk, we communicate, and I teach you guys a thing or two. But that's once a week with my VIP signals. My VIP signals is pretty affordable. It's only $70 a month, and you get a lot for that price. You mean you get access to my signals, which we average over an 80% win rate every single week. I've been documenting it for more than 2 years. So you get access to that. You get access to breakdowns, to my weekly outlooks, to the live trading floor, and then you can also communicate with all of my other students. So I mean, it's a great affordable price for signals. Do you know how much often Euro USD and XA USD correlate? I know they have some type of correlation, but if I'm gonna be completely honest with you, I don't know exactly how much they correlate. The correlation that I do with gold is the DXY and the DXY only, because I know that the DXY is inverse with gold. Also, we hit TP2, guys, for 60 plus pips. Drop some W's in the chat if you held the trade to TP2. What I recommend doing now, guys, since you did smack TP2, is move stops to TP1, and now you're at least securing a 1 or 2%. Boom, guys, we are flying. We're up 70 plus pips right now. Guys, we're up 70 plus pips. Another super successful day it has been for us. But yeah, guys, the correlation with Euro USD, I don't know exactly how it does it. I don't think there's too much of a correlation, since what I usually do is just compare it with the DXY. It has the best inverse correlation in my opinion. Now I want to learn 100% your strategy. Let me go to work, DoorDash, make 2K for the mention. Let's go, bro. But yeah, we're up about 70 plus pips. Huge trade. Yesterday we hit 100 plus pips live. Today we're up 70 pips. We're up 17% on the live stream, guys. You know what that means? 17%. People usually aim to make 8 to 10% a month, and in 2 days we're up 17%. And you know, there's no BS about this. I've live streamed every single trade. So great start of the month, big W. Yeah, yes sir. You know, I just noticed it's February 1st. We're starting February super good. February is usually one of my best months. I remember last year during February, I had my biggest withdrawal at the time. It was on February. It was like a 20 some, it's like a 27k, I think it was 27, 28k withdrawal. I really think you should make a video on YouTube on how you trade. I'm gonna get back on making the videos. I just want to make them high quality, you know, very professional. And so I gotta set up the whole, you know, the whole setup, the camera equipment and stuff. But yeah, I will be getting on, you know, doing the YouTube videos soon. I'm not gonna tell you shortly, but I will be making them eventually in the future. You know, it takes a lot of work, bro. It's you gotta set up the whole setup, the equipments, the editing, and it's harder to make the editing for the video than make the actual video. Hire a YouTube editor. I do. I have a few. I'm just going over my my requested DMs on Instagram. I just noticed that I have so many messages from you guys that I didn't see. For some reason they're popping up now. Wow, don't think that I'm ignoring you guys. Sometimes I just don't see those messages. I'm gonna join your signals for now until I get one on one. Let's do it, bro. Is there a weight room for your one on one sessions? So I mean, since it is a one on one mentorship, it does take a lot of my time and it does take a lot of your time, right? So it's not like I can take in 10, 15, 20 students in a month. You know, there's just not enough time for me to dedicate to each of you, right? And what I usually do is I dedicate at least 1 hour of my day every week, right, for you guys. So every month, the most I take is 5 students. We just started February. I don't have any students this month. I just finished my January mentorship. Um, so I only take 5 students every month, and we just started February. So there's currently, 5 available for the mentorship. So I mean, if you want to join it, you can. There's a link in the description below, or you can just hit me up through Instagram or Telegram directly and join it through there when you text me. Dímelo, bro. Profits day. Let's go, bro. Profits every single day. It's not just profit day to day. It's profit day every day. Okay, thanks. I've seen inverse correlation with your USD and DXY. As we all know, correlation makes a market unique. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, do the Dove. That's what I'm doing. Do that, Dofi. That's what I'm doing too. I mean, Nico's a great testimonial. Nico joined he's been on my live streams now for I think every single morning. He also joined the VIP signals, I believe, because of the live streams. And man, I think your trading's doing great, right? Let them know. Let them know how your trading's going. You got TikTok? Yeah, I do have TikTok. I just post random things on it, bro. If I'm being honest with you, not really my social media platform to go to, but I do post on it, and I'm not that big on TikTok. I'm usually just big on Instagram, and I'm starting to grow now on YouTube. I wish there's a payment plan instead of full amount. For the one-on-ones, we can do a payment plan if you message me. For the sing room, there's no payment plan. And it's only $70 a month. We're up about we're about to hit TP3, guys. We're up 70 pips in profit. 80 pips in wait, 70 pips, 76 pips in profit. Oh wait, there could be a payment plan on the one-on-one. Yeah, there could. We're up 75 pips in profit, guys. 80 plus pips, guys. We're about to smash TP3 on live. Guys, another almost 100 plus pip day. About to learn how to trade for real. Let's go, bro. Excited. Yeah, guys, we're almost about to hit TP3. We just, oh my god. I mean, we just got NYC opens 9:30, so we should fly. How do I get in touch with you on Telegram? My Telegram is TPKev. TPKEVV. You message me through there, and I should see your messages. I prefer Telegram since my messages pop up on the top. On Instagram, they just don't show up for the next like 3-4 days. So text me on Telegram better. Instagram is just weird with the DMs. I lose all the DMs all the time. Hit that like button. Let's go, guys. Yeah, hit that like button, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already, and help me pop up in the algorithm. One of my goals for this year is to have at least 100 viewers on the live streams daily, right? I want to get to that. And we're doing really good. We're averaging about 30 viewers right now. And it's only been like a month and a half since I've been live streaming, so that's really good. I have to head to work today, bro. See you next stream. Appreciate you for joining, brother. You join every stream, bro. I'm grateful for you. Big W's, 100 likes. Let's go. 1,000 likes. Let's go. Set on TikTok. If you live stream Monday, you'll get more viewers because that's the start of the week and everybody want to make money. I agree, but I don't like how the market moves on Mondays. And remember, the thing about me streaming is that, yeah, I don't want to just do it just to do it. I want to send out the best high quality setups only and the trades that I would personally take. You get me? And I just don't trade on Mondays. I only trade Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays because I believe that those are the best days out of the week to trade. So, I just want to give you guys the best of me, right? I don't want to just live stream on Monday just because I'm gonna go viral on Mondays. I don't want that, right? I want to trade the days that are actually worth trading. Same with Fridays. I don't like Fridays to trade. Fridays are usually very, very choppy. But I appreciate all you guys who joined. I'm gonna be ending the live stream like right now. But if we do hit TP3, I'll basically let you guys know in the signal room on my free chats. There's also a free chat for you guys. For those of you that don't know, you can join it as well in the description below. I'll be updating the trade through there. But I appreciate all of you guys who joined. Big W's again. For those of you guys who are new, my live stream schedule is Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays at 8:30 a.m. Eastern every single morning. All right, guys. So I appreciate all of you guys who joined. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Let's go, guys.